Hi, welcome to Camlish.com. I'm teacher Emmy, and I'm going to be your teacher in learning the English language easily. The title of our book is Classroom English. This is a practical guide to teaching English through English. Now, our discussion will start from page 284. Okay, so we have here on this page, we're already on lesson number 86, and our topic is reading with questioning part 2. Okay, so it's reading with questioning part 2. Now let us go to the overview of the teacher's language here below. You can see here 4 sentences, and let's read the first one. Okay, the question is, did you enjoy the story? Okay, next. Who are the people in the story? Next one. Where does the story take place? Next. What's the main idea of the story? Okay, so those 4 questions are some of the questions about the overview of the teacher's language regarding the topic reading with questioning part 2. So to understand those questions better, let's read the dialogue part here below. Okay, you can see here the dialogue part in this box. And the dialogue part starts after reading the story of the boy who cried wolf. Okay, then the teacher said, let's read. Did you enjoy the story? Students, yes. Teacher, did you ask yourself the 5 questions while you were listening? Students, yes. Teacher, good. Who are the people in the story? Students, a shepherd boy. Teacher, who else? Students, villagers. Okay, now on to the next page. Here the teacher said, and what animal? Students, a wolf. Teacher, okay, what's the story about? Who would like to answer? Misan raises her hand. And then teacher, yes, Misan. Misan answers. Teacher, good. And where does the story take place? After asking all the 5 questions, Sujin, how would you have felt if you were one of the villagers? Sujin said, angry. Okay, and then the teacher, I would have felt the same way. Now one more question. What's the main idea of the story? And then Ji-young raises her hand. Teacher, yes, Ji-young? Ji-young said, don't lie. Okay, teacher, yes. The story is telling us that we need to be honest, right? Okay, so that's the end of the dialogue part. I hope you understand what we've read. Now let's discuss the other expressions used in the dialogue part. So we have here the first one. The first question is, did you enjoy the story? Alright, this one, the teacher could also say this in this question. Was the story fun? Or did you like the story? Or was it an interesting story? Okay, so enjoy, fun, like, and interesting, they all have the same meanings, okay? Number 2, we have here, who are the people in the story? Who are in the story? Tell me who are in the story. Or can you remember who are in the story? Okay, so you can also use that in asking the question. Now, on to the next page. Alright, we have here number 3. Where does the story take place? It could also be asked this way. Where is the story set? Where does the story happen? Or what's the setting of the story? Okay? So you have here where to take place, or set, or where the story happens, or setting. They all mean the same thing, okay? So it's just asking where the place of the story was. And number 4, we have here the question, what's the main idea of the story? Another way of asking that is, what is the main point of the story? Or, what's the moral of the story? Again, main idea, main point, and moral mean the same thing, okay? So that's it for the other expressions. Now here below on this box, you could read the Korean translation of the dialogue part and the continuation on this page. So that would be all for this video. Thank you for listening. Again, I'm Teacher Emmy. See you in our next video lesson. Goodbye.